Gagi, kapapasok lang na balita, kumpirmado na si Tuta Sen ang nagpapasok sa NBI at pumayag para arestuhin si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Imagine, kasama mong senador, pinayagan mong pumasok dyan sa Senado, arestuhin ang kasama mong senador para ano? Gagi, o eto pakinggan nyo ha, traidor eh.
With the NBI, tatlong issue, no? The manner and the way that yung warrant was executed. So basically, sinasabi nila may coordination sila sa former SP at pinapasok sila. But of course, we're saying
Gagi, may coordination. May coordination kay Tuta Sen at pinayagan. Anong klaseng Pilipino ka? Traidor, buti na lang napalitan ka nga. Deserve.
kahit pinapasok kayo, hindi para makipaghabulan sa loob ng
Uy, nyari.
Senate. The second issue nga is yung contempt that the Senate has to stand up for itself.
Correct.
And dapat ma-hold in contempt. Ang pinag-uusapan lang, saan i-hold considering na siyam sila at medyo fully booked din tayo. And then number 3,
Siyam sila, grabe.
apparently iba yung report sa kanila kasi ang report sa kanila yung Osaa daw ang brusko rather than yung taga-Osaa na bugbog. So we're talking about fact-finding regarding that. So the senators are
Binabaliktad na ngayon, ano? Kung sino yung agresibo. Sino ba yung mga nagkakabol? Sino ba yung mga kumabol? Baliktad na. Yung mga usapan ngayon na. Grabe yan.
talking now. So as I said kanina, di ba, napaka-importante na level-headed tayong lahat. Pero napaka-importante na klaro na wag niyong paglaruan yung Senado. I mean, you know, this is not tabing kanto na, you know, will make excuses and
May sinabi po ba sila?
no, they're held in contempt. So it's a matter of saan siya they will pull out the NBI, but
Sama nyo rin si Trillanes kasi wala siyang business na nandyan siya.
I'm sure that
Umamin naman siya, di ba? Nakasama niya ang NBI para huliin o arestuhin si Senator Bato de la Rosa. I-contempt nyo din.
they have to report to their higher ups regarding the if they will continue to serve or they will follow our suggestion, which is to get a warrant of arrest from a Philippine court.
Ayun, so ibig sabihin po, pero insistent ba sir yung NBI na makuha
Hindi,
si Senator
maganda
Bato?
naman yung usapan pero may kasama ko si Senator Amy, Senator Mercoleta, Senator Villar, Senator Pia. May iba't ibang opinion talaga kaya mahaba That's why we have to decide ano yung mga ibibigay sa Committee on Rules and Committee on Public Order at alin yung i-decide tonight. Kasi nga,
Imbestigahan na yan. Dalhin sa committee yan. Dapat magkaroon ng investigation. Sino ang utak niyan? Sino ang nag-utos? Walang sisinuhin dyan. Maging imposibleng hindi alam yan ni Bongbong Marcos.
as you know, bumoto na yung House kanina.
What's
So
the NBI stand on the arrest for Senator Bato?
That they were allowed daw to come into the Senate and allowed to arrest him here.
Oh, they were allowed, They were allowed. Sino ang pumayag na pumasok sila dyan at arestuhin yung sitting senator?
Ay hong sir.
By Senator Soto. So,
Maliwanag. Sino pumayag? Senator Soto. Gagi. Apaka-traidor mo naman, boss.
In your decision, and what did you insist?
I
SB?
told him we have Senate Resolution 44 and I told him ang stand namin is you have to get a court order, an arrest order from a Philippine court
Okay.
and you have to allow Bato to exhaust his legal remedies. And after exhausting all of that, only then will we convince him to surrender.
And they will abide by that?
We're in the process of talking about that.
So may
But
stand
even if he says yes now, I am sure he has to report to his higher ups.
So there's a standoff.
Hindi pa naman kasi sabi nila they're willing to pull out tonight.
Aalis daw sila.
So that doesn't mean they won't be back tomorrow.
If
So
they
they will
pull
pull out tonight, si Senator Bato stays in the building.
Nag-uusap pa kami ni Senator Bato kung saan siya mas safe.
Hindi, mas safe talaga siya dyan sa loob muna siya, di ba? Huwag niyong basta-basta papapasukin na naman yung mga NBI dyan. Okay lang yan. Dapat dyan lang siya muna.
Kasi nga kung dati speculation lang na baka habulin or hanapin siya, ngayon it's very clear.
If they pull out tonight, nilift niyo yung lockdown? Or
No,
naka-lockdown?
yung lockdown was only to prevent, actually, it's really just asking people not to leave para ma-identify natin. May picture nga pinakita sa akin Senator Villanueva na nagtanggal ng polo yung isang NBA agent para nga hindi siya makilala.
Deliberate talaga, di ba?
Pero identified na po ba? Identified na yung
Nag-uusap na, so I have to thank the Chief PNP kasi pinadala niya kaagad si General Aberin, the head of NCRPO, to help us. So I put everyone in one room. So nandyan ngayon yung USAA, nandyan si General Aberin, nandyan po si Director
So yung ilan, sir?
Shyam daw.
Siyam. So yung siyam na yun ay nasa holding room na po.
Nandito pa sa loob ng Senate pero wala pa sa holding room. Kasi wala nga tayong holding.
Hindi, wala na. Yung isa, yung content ko kanina, nanao na dito. Wala na. Naisakay na, nakauwi na.
Cited in contempt na sila?
Hindi, basta ang sabi ni USAA, hindi sila nakakalabas pa.
Nakalabas na nga yung isa eh.
So that's what I'm taking care of right now.
Pero,
No, they're held in contempt. So our question only is where we will detain them.
okay.
So I'll report that back to you in a few minutes.
So,
Detained na, sir. Detained na.
Yeah.
Detained na.
Unless may nakalabas na. Kasi
Meron na nga. Meron nang nakalabas. Walang nagawa yung Sergeant at Arms.
meeting with Matibag.
Yes.
Sir, may promotion na
Sir,
siya
yes.
pa yung meeting, sir.
With,
Matibag. Kunti.
okay.
May meeting pa.
Yes. So inside the room is Director Matibag, General Aberin, and ang ating USAA. Then standby din yung Secretariat for the leg.
And what's clear is they're insisting to arrest Senator Bato. Tama?
Hindi.
They're allowed to arrest.
Bakit wala si John Vic sa scene? No. Bakit wala si John Vic? Hindi. Napapaisip lang ako. Bakit wala si John Vic? Di ba? Wala.
Yun yung sinasabi nila.
No, so three issues. Issue number 1, warrant of arrest. Dalawa issue namin. 1, bakit sa loob ng Senate?
Correct.
2, the manner. So nag-explain sila but they will put it in writing na they coordinated daw at pinayagan daw sila ng dating leadership.
Gagi, inulit-ulit. Pinayagan ang dating leadership. Si Tuta Sen. Isipin mo, Senate President ka. Na dapat ikaw yung puprotekta sa mga kasamahan mo dyan. Pero ikaw yung hudas na nagkanulo sa kanya. Anong klaseng prinsipyo meron niyang si Tuta Sen? Pinayagan, arestuhin yung kasamahan niyang senador. Elected yan, boy. At saka nasa loob ng premises ng Senado at may session.
Pero sabi ko, kahit pinayagan kayo sa loob ng Senate, hindi man siguro kayo pinayagan makipaghabulan. So yun yung ongoing.
So assured na walang arestuhan by tonight? Assured na walang
More or less, I just have to seal yung usapan. Okay. Number 2
Okay.
is that yung we explain that iba yung criminal, iba yung administrative. They can defend themselves na ini-issue na lang nila yung warrant. But from our point of view, pinipigilan nila siya mag-attend.
Yes, ibang usapan na talaga yun. Pwedeng isa-serve lang yung warrant pero wag pigilan na mag-attend ng hearing. Senador yan, boy.
And that's contempt. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng, hiwalay pa dyan yung nasa revised penal code na yung parliamentary immunity or whatever other crime. Ang point namin, we're holding you contempt kasi pwede naman kayo umakyat eh. Pwede naman kayo magsabi sa SecGen, sa USAA na may inaresto kayo. Hindi, nakipaghabulan kayo eh. Diba? Ang sinasabi na hindi naman sa session.
May proseso.
Sabi namin, anywhere inside the Senate, it's the same. Pangatlong issue nga, that whoever ng bugbog, there's no place for that. They have to be punished. Doon naman agree kami.
Gagi, patong-patong na kaso. Kawawa naman yung mga sumunod lang, no? Ito kasi yung problema eh. Kahit alam nilang mali yung pinapagawa sa kanila, wala din naman silang magagawa kundi sumunod. Kung hindi naman sila sumunod, tanggal naman sila sa trabaho nila. E syempre, paano naman yung pamilya nila? Pero ito nga yung consequence. The same pa rin. Kalaboso pa rin sila. May krimen pa rin silang nagawa.
pareho. Fact-finding na.
Sir, hiningan niyo ba ng paliwanag o hihingan niyo ng paliwanag si former Senate President Soto for allowing them to stay here?
It's fact-finding pa lang naman and it's all in the open. I mean, yun din naman ang sinabi nung dating usaha.
Opo.
Binasa ko naman kanina. So, kaya nga ang sinabi ko yung director, I don't want to be in between the he said, she said, he said, he said. So that's why isusulat na lang niya. That's why I'm also giving instructions sa sumulat.
Pero hihingan pa rin ng paliwanag si Senator Soto?
It's up to him. Diba? Kasi we're still fact-finding. But
Dapat yung pagpaliwanagin yan. Tapos, pag ayaw nyo yung paliwanag niya, total, sinipan nyo na rin naman siya. Ano nyo na? I-complain nyo na sa ethics. Bakit ganun? Diba?
I am sure, hindi niya pinayagan makipag-habulan. Kung pinayagan niya na pumasok at dito mag-arrest, that's a separate issue. Any of the senators can confront him with that issue.
Pero hindi pa rin pwedeng makaresto sa loob di ba? It's either nakipaghabulan or hindi, pero the fact na aarestuhin mo yung isang senador, masasabi mo lang kanina na inside the premises, kahit wala sa session hall, hindi po pwedeng gawin yun.
Kasi that never happened before.
Sir, pag hindi siya umalis sa NBI, sir, mag-stay din ba ang senators dito sa Senate?
I think we will find a solution. We have to find a solution. As I said, we're into 2 or 3 crises sabay-sabay, di ba? Sooner or later, dadating dito yung articles of impeachment. Do you want na ang pinag-uusapan pa rin natin si Sen Bato? Number 2, hindi ramdam ng lahat, but the delay in resolving the problem in Iran, Israel, and the U.S. conflict with Iran will continue to drive up prices.
So yun lang yung gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Yung katraidoran ng Senate President Tito Soto. Grabe, tutang-tuta talaga no? Wala na Kung may balls ka talaga, sabihin mo, huwag kayo dito mag-aresto. Malalagay ako sa alanganin. Doon kayo sa labas, 'di ba? Senador yung inaaresto ninyo, kailangang protektahan, ganun dapat. Pero hindi, pinayagan niya guys. Buti na lang talaga at sinipa na at natanggal na bilang Senate President. Kasi kung hindi, nako, baka palipad na yan o nasa eroplano na si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Mabuti na lang talaga. At siguro, dahil alam niya na magpapalit ng Senate President, itong si Bato de la Rosa, may tapang siya, o kaya kampante siya, na pumasok at magpakita na. Kasi mangyari kung may ganito man, may arestuhan, totoo yung warrant, o which is totoo na nga, mapoprotektahan siya. Kasi magpapalit na nga at magiging majority na sila. Okay. So, Tito Sen, grabe naman yung ginawa mo. Traidor na traidor ang atake, boy.